Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you my new pencils, my new mechanical pencils, and this is kind of a boring video, but, you know, I just like to make videos. So, I got this new pencil box. It's blue and has this texture, and it zippers. Oh yeah. So, I got these 4 pencils. So yeah. And yeah, so first I'm gonna start with this one. It has this purple top and a pink top and a purple bottom. And then this one has a purple top with a light green bottom. And then I have this one with a dark green top and a purple bottom. And then this one with a light green top and a dark green bottom. And yeah, so then I have this bag. It has the lead in it, the Paper Mate lead. And then I have this one. This eraser was on an old pencil that I had, so I just decided to keep it for emergencies. And then I had this new fresh eraser. So yeah. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribed and liked and commented. I would like to give a shout out to Love Animals 2002. She's awesome. Go subscribe to her. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Watch my sister's videos, which is on the same channel. Watch my Kawaii haul video and my Hello Kitty haul video. So yeah, bye. Oh, and I got these really cool bracelets. Alright, bye.